What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is how you want your tracks to look. You want to put the second track right underneath the first one so that it's like very close together, almost stacked but not. So I put it underneath my sewing machine needle, and I make sure that I'm not starting at the very end because it's just harder to do it that way, because you can always start from like an inch from the end and then reverse and go back. So my sewing machine setting, the tension is on 3, width is on 6, length is on 2, and pattern is on zigzag. I feel like this is the best setting for when you're doubling tracks. So I'm just going to make sure everything is straightened out and that my tracks, I'm holding them on each side basically of the needle and making sure that they're the exact way that I want them to be sewn down. And as you can see, it is in a zigzag motion. I feel like this is pretty much self-explanatory, so maybe if you watch this video a few times and try to do it while you're watching it, try to double your tracks while you're watching this video, maybe that might even help you, just so you could like use it for reference and like look to make sure that you're like doing everything correctly. But it's like actually pretty simple, as long as you figure out like what, depending on the type of sewing machine you have, you just want like the perfect settings. That's what makes it or breaks it. When you're doubling tracks. So that's pretty much it. And like this is like the finished look. This was the aftermath. This is the wig that I ended up making. So yeah, this video I just showed you how to double the tracks. In the next video I'll show you how I made the wig. So how to sew the tracks onto the wig cap basically. Yep, this hair is available in a unit or in bundles in frontal closure on my website at beautifulyes.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.